Students, we have to see the review of food and feeding habits of animals. In this lesson, we have learned some objectives. Already, I have given you video in that you have learned the objective. Here, given the learning objective, that is, after completion this chapter, you will be able to identify herbivore, carnivore, and omnivorous. Know about pet animals and domestic animals. Describe different ways of eating food in animals and describe the food chain. Okay, these are the learning objective. Now look at this given picture for the question which has asked below. See here one girl, she is saying that we eat food to get energy to work and work and stay healthy. Okay, so she is telling that we eat food to get energy to work and stay healthy. This boy is saying that we eat food to grow. So this is the related to human. Now here is a dog and monkey. We also need a food to live, grow and stay healthy. Same with the animals and human. Now some questions are there that you have to write the answer. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, to get energy and stay healthy for that. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, why do animals need food? Same purpose. Why animals need food? To grow, to get energy and to stay healthy. Means same answer is there. Next, name one fruit that monkey likes to eat. Banana or other fruit you can write. Next thing, we need food to live, grow and stay healthy. That we have seen. That why we need the food? To grow, to live, to grow and to stay healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play, think like this. Animals also need food. Okay, animals also need food. We have to see all the kinds of food, which different kinds of food eaten by the animals and how they are eating, that we have to see in this lesson. Now see the student, animals eat the different types of food. Here types or kinds of food. Different animals have a different eating habits. सभी एनिमल एक जैसे खाते नहीं हैं, उनकी आदतें अलग अलग होती है. जैसे हम लोगों में भी देखो, वी आर सम आर वेजिटेरियन, सम आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन. Like this, animals also having their different eating habits. First we have to see there is a herbivore. From the first standard, we are learning this concept, that is herbivore. Herbivore means some animals like cows, goats, buffaloes, and deer. See, cows and deer. They eat the only plants. They are called plant-eating animals or herbivore. Keep in mind, herbivorous means some animals like cows, goats, buffaloes, and deer eat only plants. They are called plant eating animals or herbivorous. This is the first kind. Next, carnivore. Carnivore, already we have learned this in the first standard, in the second standard, and now we are in the third standard. Then also there is a concept we have to see once again. Some animals, sorry, like lions, leopards, and tigers eat flesh of other animals. They are called flesh eating animals or carnivore. Understood? So these are the carnivores. Carnivores क्या करते हैं? They are eating the flesh of other animals. They are hunting the small animals and eating their flesh. So they are called as flesh eating animals. Understood? Next is the omnivores. Which are the omnivores that we have to see? Omnivores means that animals or some animals like crows, bears, dogs, cockroaches, and we are means we all humans eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. Here are the some example: crows and a bear. Understood? Now here three types we have covered, that is the herbivores, carnivore and omnivore. These three kinds of are present with their eating habits, means which kind of food they are eating. On that basis these three types are there, means plant eater, flesh eater, and both plant and flesh eater. Okay, these are the kinds of animals which eat the different food. Now we have to see the next point. There is a pet animals. Hey students, animals like cats, dogs and rabbits live with us. They are called pet animals. They give us company. जो हमें पसंद है, जिनसे हम लोग बहुत प्यार करते हैं, ऐसे कुछ एनिमल्स होते हैं, उनको हम लोग घर में रखते हैं. दे गिव अस कंपनी. डॉग्स गार्ड आवर होम. वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देम. वी must give them good food and weather to keep them healthy. Understood? Sorry, shelter to keep them healthy and safe. Shelter इनको हम लोग ही प्रोवाइड करते हैं. We are giving them the shelter. Okay, so these are the pet animals. Next, there is the domestic animals. See, animals like cows, horses, goats, sheep, camels, hens, and ducks help us in many ways. These animals are called as domestic animals. Student, which animals helps us? They are very helpful to us. To them, we are keeping at our home, or we are taming them. That tame animals at the farm, that animals are called as domestic animals. As we know about the domestic animals, horses, elephants and donkeys carry load for us. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Sheep give us wool. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. We should provide good food and clean shelter to these animals so that they remain healthy and active. We must always be kind to the animals. Now understood, domestic animals means which animals are very useful to us. देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे horses and elephant donkeys we are taming to carry the load. Understood? Then cows, buffalo, goats, they gives us milk. Also they provide us manure that we are using in the farm. Okay, next, that is the sheep. Sheep gives us wool. With the help of wool we can make the woolen clothes. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. Non-vegetarian people, they are eating the eggs, and eggs is a energy giving, body building food that we know. Then next one, that is we should provide good food and clean shelter to these animals. They cannot make their own shelter, so we have to give them shelter. We have to provide them food. Why? Because they will remain healthy and active, so we must be kind to the animals. Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct answers. First, carnivores are the animals that eat grass, bread and flesh. Yes, correct answer is flesh. Which of the following are omnivores? Crows and human, lion and tiger, sheep and goat. Yes, correct. crows and human. Now we have to see how animals eat. Different animals having the different type of teeth and they are eating in the different ways. We know that. Now we have to see how they are eating. Different animals have different ways of eating. The way of eating depends on the kinds of food they eat. First is the gnawer. Gnawer, okay. Gnawer, animals like squirrels, rabbits, rats eat grains, fruits, nuts. They have very sharp front teeth. देखो ये जो एनिमल्स है, रैबिट है, स्क्विरल्स है, रैट है, वो खाते हैं ग्रेन्स, फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स विच आर वेरी वेरी हार्ड. So if it is hard, then it's need to cut it properly. That's why this gnawers having the sharp front teeth for cutting. In my video I have explained that properly, shown that how they are eating. Here animals with gnawing teeth are also called as rodents. So see here, rabbit's picture is there. Rabbit, how rabbit is eating, it having the sharp front teeth. Understood? This is the first type. Second type is animals that swallow their food whole. ऐसे कुछ एनिमल्स होते हैं जो अपना फूड स्वेलो करते हैं. यहाँ पे आपको ये पिक्चर दिखाया है फ्रॉग का. फ्रॉग हैविंग द sticky tongue. So let's see. Some animals do not have teeth to chew the food, thus they swallow their food whole without chewing it. If they doesn't have any teeth, then how they can how they can chew their food? So what they are doing, they are swallowing it whole food, they are swallowing. And frogs, chameleon and lizards have a long and sticky tongue. They catch the insects with their tongue and swallow them whole. Understood? Snakes also swallow their food without chewing. See, snake, वो चबाता बैठता नहीं है, डायरेक्टली वो खा जाता है, क्या swallow कर जाता है. So snakes also swallow their food without chewing. They do not have any chewing teeth. Though a snake has a small mouth, snake has a small mouth. It can open its mouth very wide to swallow its food. Okay. Next, earthworms. Earthworms also swallow soil with their food, which consists of dead plants and animals matter present in the soil. We know that earthworm eats the soil, but soil consists dead animals and plants. Okay, so this matter is present in the soil, and earthworms swallow the soil with their food, which consists of this material. Next, animals that tear and chew the flesh. Carnivores, we know that, which are the flesh eaters. Carnivores such as lions, tigers and wolves have special teeth to tear and chew the flesh of other animals. Their front teeth is called as canines. Front teeth are there. See, these are the front teeth. Canines are there, or canines are sharp, curved and pointed. बहुत ही sharp होते हैं, curved होते हैं and pointed होते हैं. These teeth help them to tear flesh. Their back teeth, premolars and molars, are flat and broad. These help them to chew them. Okay, so ये front teeth है, उनसे वो क्या करते हैं, काटते हैं. ओके, फ्लेश को. और ये बैक जो टीथ है, प्रीमोलर्स, फ्लैट एंड ब्रॉड, उसके हेल्प से वो चबाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, एनिमल्स दैट ईट एंड च्यू द ग्रास. animals that eat and chew the grass. Herbivores like cows and buffaloes eat grass and leaves. They use their flat, sharp, and broad front teeth to bite off leaves and grass. They use their strong grinding teeth at the back to chew their food. Okay, see it is the animals that eat the chew the grass. ग्रास खाने वाले कौन से है? काउज है, बफेलो है. दे ईट द ग्रास एंड लीव्स. दे यूज फ्लैट शार्प एंड ब्रॉड फ्रंट टीथ. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा तो उनके टीथ कैसे होते हैं? शार्प ब्रॉड टीथ होते हैं, ऐसे फ्लैट होते हैं फ्रंट टीथ. उससे वो चबाते हैं लीव्स एंड ग्रास. फिर वो स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्राइंडिंग टीथ से फिर से उसे बारीक बारीक करके खाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, cows and buffaloes first swallow their food. Later they bring it back into their mouth and chew it for hours. आपने देखा होगा जो काउज है, बफेलोज है, वो जल्दी 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 वो swallow करते हैं फूड. उनके अंदर एक सैक होता है. बाद में वो शांति से बैठते हैं और उस सैक में से फिर से मुंह में लाते हैं और चबाते बैठते हैं, घंटों चबाते हैं. तो इन्हें क्या कहते हैं पता है आपको? कर्ड च्यूइंग एनिमल्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज च्यूइंग द कर्ड और rumination. And these animals are called as curd chewing animals. Other curd chewing animals are sheep, camels, giraffes and goats. नेक्स्ट हमें देखना है एन एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट इज अ herbivore, but elephant having the different structure. An elephant uses its trunk. Where is the trunk? It is the elephant trunk. So it uses the trunk to tear off the leaves and branches of trees and put them into its mouth. The trunk also helps the elephant to do more other activities like sucking water, to drink or to have shower and carrying heavy wooden logs. So ये trunk का क्या use है आपको पता चला? To tear off the leaves and branches of the trees and put them into its mouth. Also, the trunk helps the elephant to do many other activities like sucking the water, to drink or to have a shower and carrying the heavy wood logs. Next type is animals that take in liquid food. Some animals take in liquid food. These animals have a long, thin, hollow tube that they use to suck the food into their mouth. Mosquitoes and leeches suck blood from the bodies of other animals. Butterflies and bees use this tube to suck nectar from the flowers. Like we suck juice using straw. जैसे हम लोग जूस पीते हैं स्ट्रॉ डालकर, वैसे ही वो उनके पास क्या होता है? वैसे ही स्ट्रॉ होता है, हॉलो ट्यूब होता है. यहाँ पे बटरफ्लाई दिखा है, वो हॉलो ट्यूब इसके अंदर इंसर्ट करते हैं और जो कुछ लिक्विड फूड है वो क्या करते हैं? सक करते हैं. Some animals like cats and dogs lap up milk and water with their tongue. This method of taking liquid is called as lapping. See, cat lapping milk. Here is the picture. With the help of that, you can understand what is the meaning of lapping. Now, next, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answers. Rabbits and rats are called gnawers, suckers, and none of this. Yes, it is gnawer. Which animals takes in food, liquid food through lapping? Cat, mosquito, and snake. Cat. Okay. Next, We have to see the food chain. A deer eats grass, a tiger eats deer. They form a chain. This chain is called food chain. Understood? This chain is called as food chain. This is the food chain. Grass eaten by the deer, deer eaten by the tiger. This is the food chain. So grass is the autotroph. ये खुद का खाना खुद बनाते हैं. फिर ये उनके ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, ये इनके ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? So this is the food chain. A food chain always begins with the plant because plants make their own food. So we can say that all animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. बच्चों, हमें पता है कि प्लांट्स ही अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं, अदर एनिमल्स नहीं बनाते हैं. तो डायरेक्टली और नॉन डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्टली we are depending on the plants. See, in this also we can see, ये खाता तो नहीं है ग्रास, लेकिन अगर ये ग्रास नहीं होती तो डियर जैसे छोटे एनिमल्स नहीं होते. ग्रास ईटर पे ये फीड होते हैं. तो ये इनडायरेक्टली है डिपेंड, ये डायरेक्टली डिपेंड है. अंडरस्टूड? Here some points are there to remember. Students, food give us energy. Herbivores eat the plants. Carnivores eat flesh of other animals, and omnivores eat both plants and animals. Pet animals live with us, and domestic animals help us in many ways. Different animals have a different ways of eating. All animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Now we will see the exercises. Oral questions. Oral questions. Name two domestic animals. You can write anyone. Means cow is there, buffalo, horse. कौन सा भी लिखो आप. हाँ, donkeys are there. How do you take care of your pet? आप आपके पेट की कैसे केयर करते हो? जैसे कि रेगुलर उसका मेडिकल चेकअप करवाना, उसको अच्छी तरह से खाना देना. यू शुड गिव देम गुड फूड एंड गिव द गुड शेल्टर टू देम, एंड वी कैन केयर फॉर देम. In this way you should write here. Next one, that is science quiz. First, name a herbivorous animal. Many are there, from that you should write down the few. Like I will write here cows, and then see, cows, buffaloes, deer. These are the herbivores. Name curd chewing animals. Curd chewing animals means which cutting the chewing the curd means, for example, जो जल्दी जल्दी खाते हैं, फिर बाद में बैठकर घंटों तक वो फिर से मुंह में लाकर चबाते बैठते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं कर्ड च्यूइंग एनिमल. विच आर दोज? काउ एंड बफेलो. Yes, these are the curd chewing animal. Next, pick the correct options. Which animals has a thin hollow tube to suck its food? Take the correct options, students. First, which animal has a thin hollow tube to suck its food? Snake? Oh no. Butterfly or frog? It is butterfly. A dot dot eats both plants and flesh of other animals. Bear, sheep and tiger. Both plants and flesh? Yes, correct. Bear. Earthworms dot dot their food. Chew, swallow, tear and chew. Swallow. Next question. Match the following. Column A, herbivore. Herbivore means plant eater. So plant eater is deer. Omnivore means both are eating, that is bear. and carnivore means flesh eater, that is lion. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of given words. A food chain always begins with a or an. Yes, it is always begins with the plant. It is always begins with the plants, correct. Here, second, cow is a dot eating animal, plant eating animal. Then a dot sucks blood, mosquitoes. Then frogs has a sticky dot to catch insects, tongue. Very short answer question. Form a food chain with the help of following. टाइगर प्लांट डियर कैसे बनानी है आपको बताया है, लेकिन फिर यहाँ पे बताती लिख कर बता रही हूँ आपको। पहले हमेशा होता है प्लांट, उसके बाद आएगा डियर, उसके बाद आएगा टाइगर। अंडरस्टूड? So this is the food chain. In this way you have to write here grass, deer and tiger, in this way. Next, that is next question. Here is the next question. Name an animal that takes in liquid food. You can write butterfly, then mosquito, okay. Next, short answer question. Who are noyers? Who are noyers? Rabbit, rat, squirrel. These are the noyers. Next, how does an elephant eat food? कैसे खाता है? अभी दिखाया था. An elephant uses its trunk to tear off leaves and branches or put them into its mouth. In this way, elephant eat their food. Next, third, Kajal has a pet cat. She feeds it with milk daily before going to school and after returning from the school. A. Name one animal that laps up the food, liquid food other than cat. कौन से है? ये डॉग है, काव है। अब फाइंड आउट करो, ये दो तो मैंने बताए हैं। Which value is shown by the Kajal? She is very kindful for the pet. So kindness value she has shown and she has taken care. Next, long answer question. How do carnivores use their teeth to eat the food? You should write this answer. Here student given that they are having the special teeth to tear and chew the flesh to other animals. Their front teeth, canines and sharp teeth help them to cut the flesh. So here you can write the answer. Getting? Next question. This is the long answer question, so you should write that. Then what are curd chewing animals? What are, I have told you, buffalo and cow, they are the curd chewing animals. How they are chewing the curd? Here is the given the, I will show you what is the answer. This one, cows and buffaloes first swallow their food, later they bring it back into their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called as chewing the curd or rumination. These animals are called as curd chewing animals. I hope you have got this answer. Next, that picture talk. Name this animal. Name is rabbit. Okay. Next, How does this animal eat? कैसे खाता है ये एनिमल? By cutting food with the help of its sharp front teeth. Third, which food items does this animal eat? Food items, grains, fruits and nuts. Think and answer. Why is it important for us to keep our pet animals clean and healthy? Why, student? Yes, because they don't know about the cleanliness and how to stay healthy. We should take care of them. We should give them food clean and we should keep them हेल्दी. अगर वो बीमार हो जाएंगे तो उनका डिसीज़ आपको भी हो जाएगा, वो स्प्रेड होता है. हमें उनकी केयर करना चाहिए. What will happen if there are no plants on the earth? Then nobody will get their food, because plants prepare food. Every living organism depend on the plants directly or indirectly. So if plant will be not there on the earth, we will not get our food. Here all the review is over. Now it's your duty that you should read this lesson carefully, write down the exercise, and if any problem is there, you should call me. Understood?